What if a company known for creating AI art suddenly claimed it could help prevent 30% of global deaths? According to the World Health Organization, nearly 41 million people die every year from non-communicable diseases, many of which can be treated if detected early. Midjourney now believes faster and cheaper body scans could completely change how humans detect diseases, and that claim is turning heads across the medical world. Most people know Midjourney as the company behind AI-generated images, but now it is stepping into one of the world's biggest industries, healthcare. Recently, founder David Holtz announced Midjourney Medical, a new division focused on improving how people monitor their health. The healthcare industry is worth more than $12 trillion globally, making it one of the largest industries on the planet. Yet despite spending trillions every year, millions of people still struggle to access basic diagnostic services. According to the World Health Organization, nearly 4.5 billion people, which is more than half of the world's population, still lack access to essential healthcare services. Delayed diagnosis contributes to millions of preventable deaths annually, especially in lower and middle-income countries. Midjourney believes technology can reduce these delays and make medical imaging available to far more people. Going from generating fantasy artwork to building medical devices sounds unexpected, almost like a gaming company suddenly deciding to build airplanes. Still, many experts agree that healthcare systems around the world urgently need innovation. Modern medical imaging has changed surprisingly little over the last few decades. Today, if doctors need detailed images of the human body, patients are usually sent for an MRI, CT scan, or ultrasound. An MRI scan can cost anywhere between $400 and $12,000, depending on location and insurance coverage. In countries with public healthcare systems, waiting periods can stretch from several weeks to even a few months. According to research published by the OECD, patients in some countries wait more than 100 days for non-emergency imaging procedures. These delays can be dangerous because diseases often progress silently. For example, when breast cancer is detected at an early stage, the 5-year survival rate exceeds 99%, but that number falls significantly when discovered later. Cancer alone caused nearly 10 million deaths worldwide in 2022. Heart disease remains the world's biggest killer, responsible for almost 18 million deaths every year. Insurance approvals, specialist referrals, and hospital backlogs only add more obstacles. Many people avoid preventive scans altogether because they are expensive, inconvenient, or simply unavailable nearby. This is exactly the problem Midjourney wants to solve. Midjourney is developing a device called Ultrasonic CT, and the concept sounds surprisingly futuristic. Instead of entering a giant scanning machine, a person stands on a platform that slowly lowers into warm water. The machine contains nearly 500,000 microscopic sensors, each roughly the size of a grain of sand. These sensors send and receive ultrasound waves millions of times every second. The waves travel through the body and bounce back differently depending on whether they encounter muscle, fat, organs, or other tissues. This process generates enormous amounts of information, potentially producing several terabytes of data every second. To put that into perspective, 1 terabyte can store roughly 250,000 high-quality photos. Processing such massive amounts of data would be impossible without advanced computing systems. Midjourney plans to use its expertise in AI image reconstruction to transform these signals into detailed body images. The company believes the final images could eventually offer quality comparable to existing imaging methods while being significantly faster and more affordable. Could this make healthcare more accessible? Midjourney hopes future versions of the scanner will complete a full body scan in around 60 seconds. By comparison, conventional MRI scans often require anywhere between 30 and 90 minutes. A faster process means hospitals and clinics could potentially scan many more patients every day. Early disease detection already saves countless lives. According to the National Cancer Institute, early-stage cancer diagnosis can improve survival rates by more than 80% for several cancer types. Research also shows that regular health screenings significantly reduce mortality from conditions such as colorectal cancer and cardiovascular disease. Midjourney believes affordable routine scanning could eventually become as common as annual dental checkups. The company has even suggested that widespread access to preventive imaging might help reduce global deaths by as much as 30%. Considering that approximately 68 million people die worldwide every year, even a 10% reduction would represent nearly 6.8 million lives saved annually. That number alone exceeds the population of many entire countries. It is an ambitious goal, but even partial success could have a massive impact. One of the most unusual aspects of the project is the proposed Midjourney Spa. Instead of placing scanners only inside hospitals, the company wants to combine healthcare with wellness experiences. The first facility is expected to cover nearly 25,000 square feet, roughly equal to half the size of a professional football field. The center is expected to include saunas, hot tubs, wellness spaces, and integrated body scanning systems. The idea is based on an important healthcare problem. Many people avoid hospitals until symptoms become serious. Surveys show that nearly 1/3 of adults postpone medical visits because of stress, cost, or inconvenience. Studies have also found that preventive healthcare participation increases significantly when services become easier to access. Midjourney believes people might be more willing to undergo routine scans if the experience feels relaxing rather than clinical. Some critics call the idea overly ambitious, while others see it as a creative way to encourage preventive healthcare. At the very least, it would probably make hospital waiting rooms look extremely outdated. Despite the excitement, many medical professionals remain cautious. The biggest challenge involves physics itself. Ultrasound technology works extremely well for examining soft tissues such as the liver, kidneys, and thyroid. However, sound waves struggle to pass through air and bone. This means areas such as the lungs and brain remain difficult to visualize accurately using ultrasound alone. Medical experts argue that no amount of software can completely overcome these physical limitations. Another concern is that the technology remains in a very early stage of development. Reports suggest current prototypes still require considerably longer than the proposed 1-minute target. Regulatory approval is another major hurdle. In the United States, obtaining full FDA approval for medical devices often takes several years and requires extensive clinical testing involving thousands of patients. Accuracy rates must remain extremely high because even a small diagnostic error can have serious consequences. False positives can create unnecessary anxiety, while false negatives may delay critical treatment. This explains why many doctors remain cautiously optimistic rather than fully convinced. What happens next? Midjourney plans to refine its technology, conduct clinical trials, and seek regulatory approval over the next few years. The company aims to launch improved scanners by 2028 and deploy over 50,000 machines worldwide by 2031. According to Midjourney, this network could provide monthly scans for more than 1 billion people, nearly 12.5% of the global population. Achieving this goal will require massive investments, large-scale manufacturing, and strong partnerships with healthcare providers. Many tech companies have failed in healthcare before, mainly because the industry is heavily regulated and difficult to navigate. The coming years will reveal whether Midjourney Medical becomes a major healthcare breakthrough or simply another ambitious experiment. Midjourney's goal of reducing 30% of deaths may sound ambitious, but earlier disease detection could potentially save millions of lives every year. With nearly 68 million deaths occurring globally each year, faster and cheaper medical scans could make healthcare far more accessible to people worldwide. Whether Midjourney Medical becomes a healthcare revolution or just another tech experiment, the next few years will reveal if this bold idea can truly change medicine. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science content.